Welcome to 51360 Michigan Avenue, Apartment C, located in Belleville, Michigan. This spacious living room can fit a sectional and other furniture comfortably. This updated bathroom has numerous under-the-sink storage spaces, and a walk-in shower. This spacious kitchen is the perfect place to cook. With multiple countertops, a dishwasher, an electric stove, and lots of cabinet storage. This cozy bedroom can fit a twin and other furniture. It also has a roomy closet. This cozy bedroom can fit a twin and other furniture. It also has a roomy closet. Apply for free at oldtownrealty.net, or to set up a showing, give us a call at 734-663-8989.